I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy chicken salad. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of cooked chicken, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, and 1/4 cup each of finely diced celery and red onion. Don't forget fresh herbs like dill or parsley, along with salt, black pepper, and a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. These simple components will create a truly delicious and satisfying dish. Now let's prepare our chicken base. You'll want approximately 2 cups of cooked chicken, either shredded or diced into small, even pieces. It's crucial that your chicken is completely cooled before you start mixing. This helps maintain a pleasant texture. Leftover roasted or rotisserie chicken is perfect for this recipe, making it incredibly convenient. Uniform pieces ensure every bite is consistently delicious. Next, it's time to combine everything. In a large bowl, gently mix your prepared chicken with 1/2 cup of creamy mayonnaise. Then, fold in 1/4 cup of finely diced celery and 1/4 cup of red onion for a delightful crunch. Add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard for a subtle tang, and season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir until just combined. Finally, for the best flavor, chill your chicken salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. You can serve this versatile salad on toasted bread for a classic sandwich, in crisp lettuce cups for a lighter option, or alongside your favorite crackers. Garnish with a sprinkle of fresh herbs. Store any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.